7 signs of faulty fuel injectors. Autodoc tips. Injectors are the components of the fuel injection system through which fuel is metered into the intake manifold in the area near the intake valves or directly into the engine cylinders. Fuel injectors consist of a needle valve, spring, solenoid and other parts contained in a hermetically sealed body with a nozzle. The injector operation is regulated by the electronic control unit. When an electric signal is applied, the needle valve retracts, resulting in the injection of the required amount of fuel through the nozzle. The ECU takes a number of factors into account: vehicle speed, accelerator pedal position, crankshaft RPM, and some other parameters. Failure of one or more injectors negatively affects engine performance and may eventually result in costly repairs. 7 signs of faulty fuel injectors. 1. Difficulty starting the engine. Improper fuel atomization results in insufficient or interrupted fuel supply. This leads to rough idling or engine stalling. 2. Engine vibration and misfires. Defective injectors cause misfires and incorrect operation of the respective engine cylinders. Due to lack of fuel, the engine starts to knock, which is especially noticeable in turbocharged engines at high RPMs. 3. Reduced engine performance. Bad injectors cause loss of engine power. The engine no longer reaches high RPM and the car cannot accelerate properly. 4. Check engine light coming on. If this indicator comes on, it may be a sign of improper fuel atomization in one or more engine cylinders. Please note, the check engine indicator may also light up for a number of other reasons.
Install the Autodoc app, save money when buying spare parts.
In this case, you will need an OBD2 scanner to read fault codes. 5. Fuel leak or odour. A crack in the plastic injector body, incomplete injector shutoff or seal failure can cause fuel to enter the engine compartment. If traces of fuel and a strong odour are detected under the bonnet, immediately check the injectors and replace defective ones, as there is a risk of fire in the engine compartment. Please note, fuel or fuel odour under the bonnet may also be caused by a damaged fuel line. In any case, the problem needs to be solved as soon as possible. 6. Increased fuel consumption. This occurs when excessive amounts of fuel are atomized through faulty injectors. Improper fuel atomization is detected by the ECU, which forces the bad injectors to work in an intensified mode. 7. Unsatisfactory emission test result. Increased or insufficient fuel atomization leads to incomplete combustion and incorrect operation of the catalytic converter. As a result, the vehicle no longer complies with environmental regulations.